Hello everyone. Today in this video I will be discussing about the basic two-dimensional transformation techniques. This two-dimensional transformation techniques are very important in computer graphics course. Now I have decided to divide these parts, that is the two-dimensional transformation techniques, into 5 videos. Okay, now in this video I will be discussing with you translation. Okay, so I will be discussing with you translation in this video. Now, what is translation? Translation is nothing but change in position of an object along the coordinate system. Okay, so translation is nothing but change in position of an object along the coordinate system. Now, translation is done based on Tx and Ty. Okay, and these are known as translation parameters. Okay, so Tx and Ty are known as translation parameters. Now, how these translation parameters affect the coordinates? If x and y, this is the original coordinate of, or rather if we say that this is one of the coordinates of an object on the coordinate system, then this will be translated into x dash and y dash, where x dash is given by x plus tx and y dash is given by y plus tx, y plus ty. Okay, so in this way the translation parameters affect the coordinates in the process of translation. Now let's see an example to understand the translation process. So let's see the example. Now, in the example we have been given a triangle with coordinates 0, 0, then we have 2, 4, and finally we have minus 3, 4. Okay, so let's draw this in the coordinate system. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first one is 0, 0. So the first coordinate will be here. Second one is 2, 4. So 2 and 4. So it's here. And last one is minus 3, 4. So minus 3, 4. That means almost here. So let's join the coordinates. Okay. So this is our triangle 0, 0, 2, 4 and minus 3, 4. Okay. So this is the triangle that has been given, and our translation parameters are Tx equals to 2 and Ty equals to 3. Okay. Now we have to translate this triangle according to the translation parameters 2 and 3. Okay, so let's see how it happens. So first of all, for 0, 0, we have x dash equals to 0 plus 2, that is 2, and y dash equals to 0 plus 3, that is 3. So that means our new coordinates are 2, 3. So now for 2 comma 4 we have x dash equals to 2 plus 2, that is 4, and y dash equals to 4 plus 3, that is 7. That means 4 comma 7. And for the final coordinate, that is minus 3 comma 4, we have x dash equals to minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1, and y dash equals to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So it's minus 1 comma 7. Okay, so let's draw the new triangle. Let's see what comes out. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the first one is at 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3, that means here. Second one is 4 comma 7. Sorry, 4 comma 7. So for that we have to increase this one. 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 4 comma 7, that means here. And the third one is minus 1 comma 7. So minus 1 comma 7, that means here. Okay, so our triangle is this. So this is our new triangle. Okay, so if you can see this triangle, this was our original triangle. This has moved to a new location along the coordinate system. So this is what translation is, and hope you guys understood it. If you have any problem, do mention in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.